Loading up. Yeah, that's it. How about you, pare?
I think this is it right here.
You wanna put this in the cooler?
Oh, shit, y'all got this, fool?
Huh? Oh shit!
What?
My
Oh, the tool and the...
talk about my anchor. That shit like 60 pounds. Huh? That's oh, my pillow in there too. Yeah.
Should I bring the rumors?
Huh?
Should I bring the rumors?